That room
To
is
me, I
great.
take you special. You are the type of girl that if I see outside, I would like to stop. I love beautiful things. And I'm attracted to fair girls. So I love fine girls. So, and I don't like it when some certain things revolve around them. You want to do mac and cheese? Is that for you?
Yes.
You fucked up, bro.
Why? What's up?
I forgot I watched that plate.
I still the chop now.
You are still eating.
So, I really want you to don't, I don't know, this. Sometimes I do tell them, emotions are high. Don't allow your emotions. I think you'll be a lover again. Forget your blah, 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 blah. Don't allow your emotions get to you. Don't allow it. Emotions can make you do stupid things. It hurts at times. You wanted to be with somebody, maybe. Because I'm not saying you want a ball. And I want you to be outstanding. And you are from East, man. You should know. East people expect more from us.
Yeah.
So that's all. I just want you to don't take anything to heart. Bro! You don't have to take anything to heart. At times, as in, when you left, I was happy. Regardless. And that's how things are supposed to be. You can try to turn people on and they are shouting and you off your own. Maybe you did the intention, maybe I don't know what happened, maybe it was the intention, but you did not even drag it so much.
Let me take some of your rice.
This rice is cold, bro. Microwave. Check again. And don't forget you are beautiful. I beg. At times I look at you, I forgot what I told myself.
What did you tell yourself?
I'm not going to, let me say I'm not going to fuck up, but I think I'm one of the girls, I will not do that. But you are the type of girl I would like to fuck with 100 when I'm out from here. Yeah, as in if I'm just there, you are the type of girl where I go just reverse for. I swear. Regardless whether I have someone, it's not a playboy thing.